Types of economies. There is a central planned economy, the economy in which the government decides how economic resource will be allocated. There is market economy, an economy in which the decision of household and firms interacting in the market allocates economic resources. Mixed economy is an economy in which most economic decisions result from an interaction of buyers and sellers in markets, but in which will the government plays a significant role in allocation of resources. Efficiency of market economies. Market economies tend to be more efficient than central planned economies. Market economies promote. Productive efficiency is a situation in which goods or services is produced at the lowest possible cost. Allocative efficiency is the state of the economy in which production is accordance with consumer preference. In the particular, every good or service is produced up to the point where the last unit provides a marginal benefit to society equal to the marginal cost producing it. Source of economic efficiency. Productive efficiency comes about because of competition. Allocative efficiency arises due to voluntary exchange. Voluntary exchange, a situation that occurs in market when both the buyer and the seller of a product are made better off by the interaction. Each transaction takes place improves the well-being of the buyer and the seller. Transactions continue until no further improvements can take place. Market economies and equity. Economically efficient outcomes are not necessarily desirable. Less efficient outcomes may be more fair or equitable. Equality, equity, the fair distribution of economic benefit, an important trade-off for government is between efficiency and equity. For an example, if we tax income, people might work less or open fewer businesses, but those tax receipts can fund programs that aid the poor. Positive and normative analysis. Economists try to mimic natural science by using the scientific method, but economics is a social science. Study the behavior of people is often tricky. When analyzing human behavior, we can perform positive analysis, analysis concerned in which what is, and normative analysis, analysis which concern with what ought to be. Economists mostly perform positive analysis. Government policymakers have increasingly relied on economic analysis. Microeconomic is the study of households and firms make choices, how they interact in the market, and how the government attempts to influence their choices. Macroeconomics is the study of the economy as a whole, including topics such as inflation, unemployment, and economic growth. Examples of microeconomic issues are how consumers react to change in product prices, how firms decide to charge the products they sell, which government policies will most efficiently reduce obesity, the cost and benefit of approving the sale of a new prescription drug, and the most efficient way to reduce air pollution.